Welcome my fellow alligators, it's good to see you back again. Sorry I could not upload this video earlier because I was a little sick. Now that I am back again, today I will share with you two penny stocks which can become multi-bagger and can give you potentially 10,000% return. So one of them you can buy about at 10 rupees and the another one you can buy under 20 rupees. So before we start, I'll not request you to subscribe, but please hit that like button and help me with the YouTube algorithm. Now with that being said, let's start. So first I will share you a little bit the company details, a little bit fundamentals, and then we'll go into the chart. First we have 3i Infotech. The current price is about 10 rupees and the face value is also 10 rupees. The high to low ratio is about 11 to 8.65, and stock PE ratio is also quite good, about 6.22. The market cap is about 1600 crore, and this company is a global IT company and it has more than 1500 big customers in more than 50 countries. Now its services includes consulting services, cloud transformation which is huge today, infrastructure transformation and management services, data analytics and AI which is also growing industry, the quality assurance service, business process and professional services, and also blockchain services which is the future. So this might come out to be a multi-bagger, and let's look into a little bit financials of it. Here you can see the monthly chart here, and in income statement, 3i Infotech reportedly revenue was about 6.1 billion for 2021, and as you can see here, the profit margin has risen from 5.92% in 2020 to about 64%, which is huge. And although the revenue this is for not for whole 2021 revenue, but you can see the net income has also grown pretty hugely, about 455.63%. So this is huge for an IT industry company. And next in balance sheet you can see that it has a total asset of 14.9 billion for the financial year 2021, which is an increase of 8.42% compared to 2018. Now you can also see that debt to asset ratio also has decreased, which is also good. Let's look into the chart of 3i Infotech a little bit. So as you can see here, it has a it had a resistance level here around 8.75, but it has break out from that resistance level, and also it has an ascending triangle like this here, which also was break out. So this might be a good entry point from here. So that's it for 3i Infotech. Next, the next one in our list we have Halsan Industries Limited. The current price is about 19.95 and the face value is about 10, and the book value is 35.6, which is the current which is pretty high compared to the current price. The high to low ratio is about 23.0 to 11.23. The stock PE ratio is 16.37, and market cap, as you can see here, is quite low. It is a micro cap company and its market cap is about 15.28 crore. Now this company manufactures polyester dyed yarns and process cottons, viscose and other types of yarns. Now the main point is that it markets all of these products in India and also abroad. Now it also produces eco-friendly, well-established products, which is the future. So it has a pretty good potential to grow in this eco-friendly industry. And recently, this is one of the penny stocks where promoters increased their stake recently. So this might comes out to be a multi-bagger in the upcoming days. So now let's look into the chart. So as you can see here, it has a good support level about 7.5, and here you can see it has bounced back from this support level. So this might be a good mm, entry point from here. So that's it for Vulcan Industries Limited. Hope you liked this episode. If you liked, please hit that like button. And that's it for today. We'll be back again with another episode. So bye for today.